Can you tell me some of the secrets you're allowed to tell now that you were not allowed to tell anybody before?
I don't know if there's a whole lot of secrets. I mean, we've had now two trials on involving that search that day. There is one thing that hasn't got to be mentioned is when we were on that property searching, and right after we found JJ in his grave, uh, Chad left. He'd been across the street at his daughter's house. He got in his vehicle, was driving down the road, and so patrol officers or surveillance officers we had at that time watching him pulled him over, and myself and Detective Ray Hermosillo also lead on this case. He we went there to where he was stopped, and I had the opportunity to go up and talk to Chad, and I said, Chad, you're being detained right now. We found JJ, and I think we're going to find Tylee. And he was shaking his head in the affirmative, and I said, I know you came from your uh, daughter's house. Is there anything that you want me to go back and tell him? And this comment from him struck me odd because he said, I've already told them that I'd probably be going to jail today. And it was kind of an eye opener for me at that time because it's really the first time he's said anything about that. It was almost a confession. It's probably the closest we had to any type of confession from Chad. So at that point in time, it was, we knew that he knew that it was just a matter of time and that he was on the clock and his freedom was on the clock because he knew what was going on. He knew what we were going to find on the property that day.